So while we're talking about engine management systems and what we do to check out a car during a pre-purchase inspection, one of the main things we want to check are overrevs. This didn't start until the Boxster, the 986, and the 911, the 996, 97, and 99 respectively. If you're looking at 9X6s, it's going to be in two values, the overrev or the overspeed counter. If you're looking at a 9X7, it's going to be in 6 different values. And all they've done, it's not complicated. They've taken the first value, range 1, and broken it up into 3 sections, meaning range 1 through 3. And range 2, they've broken into 4 through 6. But let's go back to 9X6 for a minute, 996, 986. When we're looking at overrevs, the range 1 is going to be just the rev limiter. And I hate to do this, but I'm going to have to show you. You're revving up the engine, wah, and then it goes wop, 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 wop. That's the rev limiter. There's nothing wrong with that. And I hear people saying, oh, I don't care about range 1s. Well, you do. Because as in the case of this car, it has 35 counts of cutting ignitions. Now, what does that mean? That means somebody was either on the street all the time in the rev limiter, meaning the revs are up all the time. And as we all know, these engines last longer when they're driven hard. But you have to think about what else they're doing. Is this car been to the track? I would say probably yes, because there's only like 65,000 allowed. So that's what's going on. Range 2, these are the deadly ones. These are the deadly overrevs. The ignition count is when you actually go beyond that. And the only way to do that really is to put it in the wrong gear. Can you jump a pair of railroad tracks and get it to do that? Can you do it in the rain? Maybe, possibly different wheels. But I would stick to the basics and just say it's been overrevved. And overrevving isn't the speed that the engine goes to. That's not so much the problem. It's how fast it got there. So when you put it in the wrong gear, you're pulling it to that higher RPM.